I'm beyond the fridge. I'm beyond life. Let's have some A&W, and we'll call it a night.
Back again. Back again. Back again. Yeah. Well, back again. Back again. Back again. I'm Triple T and I'm back again.
Why are you eating on top of your fridge? For views, for views. Why are you eating on top of your fridge? That's right, it's for views. Alright, so my phone went dead. Whoops. So now I am filming this on my, what do you call this thing? iPhone. I got one bite in. What I was trying to tell you guys is you're better off, I can't speak, better off just getting a Buddy Burger, which is $2.55. You can add lettuce to it, tomato, and pickle. And it's basically the same thing as a Teen Burger, just without bacon and, yeah, without bacon. Just bread left. So, thanks to all my new subscribers, all my newbies, any of you that are new to my channel. I'm slowly creeping up to 150 subscribers, which is still nothing. And this has been 2 years now, I think I've been doing the channel. I'm nowhere near as successful, I feel, as some of my other counterparts, like JoJo Eats and the C Squad when he had his channel. Like props to you. Shout outs to some of my newer ones, like Amber Eats. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. Sometimes my memory, you know, I'm getting old, girl. There's another subscriber that I have, which has been pretty loyal, and that's Fine TV, Fine Dining, Fine F-I-E-N. Okay, y'all know who you are. I'm just a little bit having a bad memory. I could have looked this up before I... This Nashville hot sandwich is... It's okay, you know, Mama. I feel like it was a little bit tastier last time, but nonetheless, it was still pretty freaking great. Who doesn't love fried chicken, Mama? And pickles. So yeah. Oh. So camping video coming soon. And I've been slowly, finally starting to work on it and try and add some new elements to my channel. I keep thinking that I want to keep the Avid Camper channel different from Triple T mukbangs, but at the end of the day, it's just me. I'm still the same person. But I figure if I post my camping videos here, more people will see it because I have more subscribers. Oh, pardon me. I only have 14 subscribers on the other one. But I also haven't been trying to promote it, or I remember when I first came on YouTube, and this was on I had a mukbang channel at first, but then I deleted it. I had a lot of crazy videos. And this is during when COVID, the first year of COVID, when everything was like shut down and everybody was, you know, I started the YouTube channel. I was doing crazy shit. People were like, I'm concerned about you. They're like, what are you doing? I deleted the channel. I started again. I still do crazy stuff, but I do kind of admit I was a little bit going nuts. But I wanted views, Mama. It's all for the views. Get up in that gig. Sorry guys, I keep taking clips here and there because I'm gonna try and send these to my main phone, which goes dead very fast. I don't know why my phone goes dead so fast. But so yeah, with the whole thing today with technology, just imagine anything is possible. Anything is possible. But what if we don't have this tomorrow? Our technologies of our phones and like everything we do is online. Our lives are online. Phones, little computers, this is our lives. That's why I love going camping sometimes and just disconnecting from it. I've already kind of disconnected because I will tell you guys one thing. I don't pay a phone bill. I haven't paid a phone bill in about 3 years. I said, fuck this shit. I'm tired of paying like $150 a month and all this bullshit. So what? I don't have... Now I have a free phone number, but it's only during Wi-Fi. Of course, if I don't have Wi-Fi, I can't connect. It's okay. There's so many places with Wi-Fi. It's gonna be okay. I just don't understand why people haven't gotten into this and aren't using free apps. Like, I don't want to pay. I would rather more money for food and things I can enjoy, Mama. Okay, guys, I've been rambling about, you know, Mama, about. I still got a burger left, but I think I'm gonna go smoke a doobie. And yeah, I really want to thank you guys for joining me. And thank you so much for your loyalty and yeah, thanks for being beyond the fridge and beyond life. Big, yeah, you know. Because, you know, you can't have Triple T without the Back Again song. Mama. Alright. I want you all to keep a cool tool, the coolest of the summer. And don't let you meatloaf. And, you know, we'll Oh, let me crawl down here. Oh, fuck. Bye. Props to your mama.